charging my iPhone for more than 15 minutes and it still won't turn on. Now on the screen here, it is showing a depleted battery icon. So if you have stashed your iPhone away for a long time, for several weeks or months, and now if you try to charge it again, it may take a lot longer than normal. So simply just wait a little bit longer. Now I suggest you would wait for around 30 minutes to 1 hour before testing to make sure that it's not faulty. In most of the cases, the phone should turn on. So be patient. If you see that the battery's icon is showing, just simply wait for another hour or two and allow the phone to charge up. Another thing to check is make sure the cable is not faulty, or your charging plug is not faulty, or that you are using a fast charger. If you're using a slow charger, a low voltage charger, it may take a lot longer to recharge your iPhone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.